Hello everybody. Today I wanted to show you how I repaired my door panels on my 94 Ford Ranger. As you can see, I've got a bunch of parts behind me, clutch, um, gaskets, oil pan, valve cover. Um, I've got all kinds of stuff in here, but anyway, it's all for the Ranger. So today I just wanted to do a step-by-step on how to do the repair. Um, I did both door panels. I'm showing one on here, but anyway, um, there's other videos on how to take the door panel off, so you can go look at one of those. But I'm showing you how to do the repair itself. So I hope you enjoy. So I just took this door panel off of my Ranger I just got, and anyway, the other carpet was really bad. Now I've already done one of these, and I'm going to show you something how I did the other one, and I'll try to do step by step to show you how to replace this. So I know the camera's going to be moving and all, but it's got melted little plastic rivets here, and all I do is take this, a chisel, get underneath there and just scrape it off. And on the other one, I went and got some screws. I had to cut them down. I couldn't find any long enough. I'm sure if you went to a hardware store, you could find some. But you cut all these off. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and do all these. It's 10 of them. So you're going to need 10 screws when you go to put everything back together. All right, now that you've cut them off, this will pop out of place, but you got to be careful. You know, old plastic is brittle, so anyway, that's what it looks like. And I took the other one off. I got some spray adhesive here, and I got the old one off, cleaned it up, and put spray adhesive on it, and it turned out really good. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Now, when you get screws, you're going to want to make sure that you get screws with a washer big enough to, you know, put pressure on this plastic. And when you tighten them up, you don't want to tighten them up too tight, or else you'll put stress on that. So anyway, so I took the old carpet off of the door panel, and I ordered this stuff off of eBay. That's what I'm going to replace it with. So I took the old one and laid it out and traced it. The other one I didn't. I just kind of eyeballed it. So, but anyway, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to cut that out. So that's what it looks like when it's all cut out. You're going to have to excuse the mess. This is a piece of carpet I got in my shop, and I'm working on the carpet, but it's very dirty right now. So all right, so now you see these things. That's what we cut off initially to begin with. So when you go to get screws, you need to make sure that they do not go through, they don't penetrate this. So I have to actually cut the screws down, but I've cleaned it up as best I can, and then I took some acetone and cleaned up the rest of it so the adhesive will stick. All right, now I'm getting ready to spray adhesive on it, and I'm trying to get it as close to the other one as I can, but anything's better than what I had on there. So all right, now I sprayed adhesive on it, and I'm going to try to make it look nice and neat. All right, so this is what it looks like. And again, I'm kind of embarrassed of the way this carpet is, but during hunting season, you know, track things in here, haven't cleaned up the shop in a few months, so I need to get on that. All right, so once you're finished, this is what it's going to look like on the back. Okay, and you just gotta make sure it's glued down. That's what it looks like. Now these are the screws I had to cut down, so I didn't go through these little things on the other side, because that wouldn't look good. Having a screw come out was something you just made nice and pretty. So, all right, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to try to do this one-handed to show you. But you're gonna have to put screws in those little holes right there. So I just went through and started all the screws and just tighten them up. Be careful not to strip them out. Now you might want to go to the hardware store and get something better, but you need to have something that has a nice size washer head on it, or washers or something. But that's how you do it. And I'm sorry, I don't have a tripod on me right now. I'm actually holding with my finger, thumb and pointer finger, my phone, so y'all can see. But and don't over tighten them, because you don't want to strip these out. It's probably going to be kind of unforgiving if you do. All right, now there's your armrest. I don't think I showed you how to take it off, but it's got 6 screws. And anyway, that's what it looks like. But just have to put it back in there, screw it back, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, so those are the armrest screws right here, and I don't recommend using a drill on these because you don't want to strip it out. I'm just going to tighten them up. You need to be very careful if you're going to do it this way. And I'm going to go through with a regular screwdriver and tighten them all up. They're all tight, it seems like. Yeah. And since I had spray adhesive on it, I'm going to put some back. All right. And that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go put it back on. All right, and that's what it looks like. And you only got like 3 screws holding this. One here, one here, one on your wiper. Wiper. Your winder, window winder, or whatever you want to call it. And one right here. Okay, so that's how you repair that fabric that's on the door panels. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little clip. It was it was fun and challenging all at the same time. It wasn't that hard to do, but if you don't feel comfortable, I wouldn't recommend you do it. It is old plastic. Whenever you turn into something like that, you do take a chance of breaking something. So uh, do it at your own risk, but this purpose of the video is pretty much entertainment only. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos of the work I'm going to be doing on it, uh, leave a comment. Thank you.